Hello everyone. I hope you're okay. I hope you had a good trading day. Today we had a CPI news as well, and there was a lot of opportunities in the market, as you can see. That Let me share my chart with you. Right. Yeah, and there you go. As you can see, these are the levels which I put before earlier on, was yesterday. And these green lines are basically Asian zone, which and only new level was this 1905 because market as it respected this level. It was in 15 minutes there was a level here. So market did respect that level, and as you can see that market, this was a 4 a.m. in the morning, around 4:30 for trade. This was just a trade. So we'll start from here. So this was a trade, and as you can see, this level has been tested as well at news time. That was liquidity has been hunted, and there was sell trade here. Market went there up again. Again, there is a sell. I'm making a double top here. So that's a very good sell as well. So obviously, you manage your trade. You don't take all the profit at once. You take most of the profit, 80% at a certain level. And for example, in this case, you could took the profit here, or if not, then when there was a reversal here, you could have taken this. However, if you didn't, then you could have have another sell here and stop point there and the stop loss, and you see the markets went down. And here there was a buy trade, although because it didn't mark, there's not much volatility in the market, so it didn't go up to the upside much. So if you see a reversal, you just close the trade in small profit. As you can see, a smaller time frame, you can find a reversal here and here. So if you took a trade from here, you still get some 10 or 20 pips. Rather than having a stop loss, you just get some pips. One other thing that has to be noted, that when this level is just multiple times, it's become weaker and weaker. So I'm expecting the market to go down further. The trend is bearish as well. The CPI news was positive, and the market went up, and then in fact it went down and then went to the upside. And you could always get help from Dixie. This is 1 hour Dixie chart, and you can see the golden Dixie move in opposite directions. Right. Now, where the market is standing, as I said, this area has become weaker now because it has tested multiple times, for a few times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 times has been tested. So what I'm expecting, the market should come down from here. It's probably gonna break. If not, it might go up a little bit and then probably will break. But let's wait for the breakup. The next target is 1905, and then 1904 and 1903 onwards. Say 1900 levels. So that's the next target for the market. The trading is very easy as long as you manage your risk, take your entries and exits, and don't make it overcomplicated. And don't do over trading. It's simple. Just take good trades, and that's it. At least you're making something rather than losing something. So always bear in mind that. Right. Now, what's the Forex structure for the following day, which is 14th of September? So we have a core PPI news, and let me share with you. We've got quite a few news at 1:30 p.m. UK time, and 1:15 is a Euro news as well, and AUD at 2:30 a.m. is the news as well. So we can expect some movements around here, and then movement around there 1:15, and then move 1:30. The rest of the day, we have some low impact news. There's some low impact news as well in different pairs. So that's it for the as far as the Forex structure is concerned. And now, let's do an analysis on GBP JPY. What's happening with GBP JPY? And I did analysis yesterday as well, and the market did give some good pips there as well. So going into GBP JPY. Right, as you can see, this around midnight, around midnight, there's a breakout here. I did say there was a level here, and market went to the upside. After that, market was rejected from here, and it respected this fair value gap, tested this area, and market went to the upside. So that was a trade here, from here to this level. And then one second. Yes, so that was one trade, and this one on the break of this this level here. And then once the market entered in this area again, break and enter. At what time was it? It was 7 a.m. That was a sell trade. Well, let me check if there was a news at 7 a.m. It's because we are learning. It's part of our learning. Look, there was a news on 7 a.m. So market went down. It's part of our learning. So how the market moved, and what this is learning that you learn from the market history. Basically, this will become history now, and then you following analysis you can base on this learning, right? Because there's a 7 a.m. news, and the market reversed. So once it reverses, this does this fair value gap, and this was a level as well. We go to smaller time frame. This level has been tested, so that was an opportunity to buy and see the overall trend is not. It is trying to come down, but it's not. I would not say personally it's a bearish, although it has broken this level, and then it went up to the upside again. So everybody have a different definition of the bearish and bullish. So maybe in some small time it'll be bullish, maybe in longer and larger time it'll be bearish. So it depends really your frame of reference, So I don't get confused in bearish and bullish. So everybody has their own definition of bearish, bullish in different time frames, right? So as you can see now, let me delete this. This is a daily chart. See, and you can easily see that there's a potential to go to the upside here, right? And if I put fib level, always use fib levels to confirm your entries and exits. They're very, very good. As you can see, this is the fib level and it has been respected. So this is 0.61 fib level or golden ratio. And now we can see interesting situation here. It's a triangle pattern as well, but as you can see that it's triangle patterns and these pattern channels and sometimes can be even trend lines, sometimes can be relative, meaning that they have to work with the structure of the market. They're not a final word or final solution for your analysis, a final probability. So basically, it's a bullish flag pattern, as you can see. Which is it's like a channel, and you can say either you can say channel or bullish for because the market is in a trend, so more likely it's a bullish flag pattern, I would say. Look, right? And this is the so I will definitely expect the market to come down. Sorry, to the come to the upside and make a double top in a higher time frame, and then maybe possibly give us a reversal from here. So good, that would be a good trade. Here market broke this level, and then although tried to break this level, but then it went to the upside. So I'm expecting to do here. Then if you want to the upside, go up or to the downside. Looking in the 4-hour chart, this is the market structure. Let's take this further to the left. See how market moved. Level broken to the upside, then level broken, and level broken. And this level is invalid. Now there's no level here now. There's a previous level I'm talking about. And now level made here, and then in fact it was coincides with this. So level broken. Just retested it, this level, and then market came down. Try to retest this level, come down, try to retest this level. Sometimes there's no exact retest. So now market come down, retest this level, come down, retest, and retested and then broke it. Then that was buy trade, and then market went to the upside. It's kind of double top, well, not exactly, but a very good trade here because of divergence in 4H. And then, as you can see, this is a double bottom, coincides with this this area. Market went to the upside, tested this level, went to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. It has fourth time it has broken a little bit. Went to the upside and then broke this level and came further down. Now market went to the upside, this level, and hopefully this will be respected, this level. Why? Because I can see this smaller time frame now. I can see that this structure has been broken. So we can expect to the upside and break to the upside. However, If we break to the downside, then market can come down. So that is what the scenario is building up. And as you can see, where is that? For the market to go to the upside, this level must be broken. Bear in mind that let's put in the 1 hour chart, and this level must be broken to go to the upside. So if it doesn't, then we can expect this market can come this level. There's a level. There is a level. And if it breaks to the upside, one level here, and it's because the trend is bullish, so it's likely that it will break to the upside. If you go to smaller time frame, maybe you see even better. So it can retest the liquidity, and then come down and then go up. So let's see. So currently, we are not doing anything in GBP JPY. You can interpret in different ways. You can see this. You can the line through here. You can put a line through here as well. And you see it's a channel. And if this channel along with this resistance area is broken, then that will be a great thing. Or if not, then it can move like that, like that, like that, and then to the upside. So there are different scenarios. Always look for the breakouts, confirmation, and the volume in the market. And always make sure you take profit, take reasonable lots according to your downside, so that you can manage the risk properly. Taking higher lots means that you won't be able to manage the risk, and it'll be very hard to cope with your account. You may blow your account because of margin call. So that's why it's recommended that you work in the demo account first, especially if you are new, and then go accordingly as soon as you experience in trading. So I hope this is useful to you, and if you have any comments, please do get back to me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.